good morning. So today now we are in Austria, Vienna. So this morning I didn't get much time to give an update on our travel. So we are now on a journey. So it will last around 8 to 9 days. We are planning to visit Austria and then Hungary and Czech Republic and back to Norway. So this morning we started around 5 from Norway because we didn't take the flight from Oslo airport. We came to Sandefjord airport due to some reason. So I'll tell you the reason. So now we are at Austria. So we are just waiting in the station to get the train, take the train and go to our hotel. So the plan for today is now go to the hotel, check in and do some sightseeing. It's around 11 now, so it will take another 1 hour or so to reach the hotel. Then I'm not sure where we're going to visit today. So it is going to be today and tomorrow that we are going to stay in Vienna, then go to Budapest. So we both are here, so no one is accompanying us. Okay, so we are waiting in the station. So this S7 will come in this platform. So we already have got the tickets and it will drop us to some city center, then we'll be walking towards our hotel. So we are now inside the hotel that we booked, and it is around a kilometer from the airport, not the airport, the train station, and it's not very difficult to find, but I would say it's a bit interior. So this is how it looks. This is the main hotel. The in front of this particular hotel, if you see, that is in green color, so that is the main hotel, and here are they have some other rooms here on the front of that hotel. So this is how the room looks when you enter. It's a nice room. I would say the size is much bigger than other hotel, means in our price. And this is the washroom. So we also got some references how to explore the city and the city cards and city pass to buy. So I'm not sure whether we are going to buy that or not. We need to see whether it is cheaper to visit the places one by one by spending individually, or it will be better to have the city pass. So the city pass costs around 90 euros. It's around 900 NOK. So for two it will be around 1800 NOK, and in that we can visit the inside of the museums and all. And if we take the city pass, city pass is for 1800 euro for two people. For city card. It is bit cheaper, but it doesn't include visiting the inside of the museum. So we're not sure yet. So we'll just compare things. Then I'll keep you updated which one to buy, or you should only visit whichever you can cover. Okay, so we'll just get freshened up and we'll start our day one journey from Vienna, Austria. We are now out of the hotel and going towards the city center. And so today's plan is to visit as much place as possible. And tomorrow we also going to stay here. So tomorrow also we are going to visit some places, but today we don't have much time. We only have around 2 to 3 hours to spend. So I think we'll go towards the popular St. Stephen's Church, and we'll spend some time there. Then if time permits, we'll go to some other place nearby. Otherwise we'll come back and plan for tomorrow. And tomorrow we have the whole day to us, and we can visit much more places than today. So the main plan will be for tomorrow, and today we'll just explore the church and then some places to eat and all, and then come back. So now we are at the St. Stephen's Church, and we are on top of the North Tower. And from here you can see the Vienna city. So all the tourist attractions you can see, and also the Vienna city. So this is the bell tower, you can see. So we wanted to book the whole tour, which cost around 16 euros for bell tower, north tower, and the north tower, which is the bell tower, and the catacombs, and the south tower, which is cost around 16 NOK as a whole. 16 euros, sorry, 16 euros. But for catacombs we need to book some other tickets in some different counter. So we have just booked for the north tower. So on the north tower, I would say there is nothing much to see, but it's quite an experience to visit this. So this is how the whole city looks. And we have visited both the north tower and the catacombs. And I would say the north tower is, I would say there is nothing much to see on the north tower. It's just a bell, and it is a very large bell, so it is around 21 tons. And in the catacombs also there is a guided tour. The archbishops and all, they have been buried there. and even normal people who have died in earlier deaths, like in plague or normal death, they have also buried there. So overall it was a nice, I would say, visit to the museum as well as the catacombs. And if you can see behind me, this is the St. Stephen's Cathedral. It's very huge, and it's very well maintained from outside as well as inside. So now we are here at the St. Peter's Church. So now we are going to go inside. This is how it looks from the outside. There is a big dome on top of the church, but it is not getting visible from here. So we'll now go inside and see how it looks from the inside.